Why do onions make us cry? It starts with a simple slice. As the knife pierces the onion's layers, it triggers a chemical reaction. Enzymes break down amino acid sulfoxides, releasing a volatile compound called syn-Propanethial-S-oxide. This gas rises towards our eyes, reacting with the water in our tear film to form sulfuric acid. Our eyes, sensing an irritant, sends signals to our brain, which commands the tear glands to produce tears, attempting to wash away the irritant. This natural defense mechanism is a reminder of the onion's evolutionary brilliance. So, next time you shed a tear while chopping, remember it's science at play, not emotion.